Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson on backs and lifting. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a moment of discussion, please feel free to do so. Back injuries that result from lifting materials are one of the most common injuries that happen in the workplace. While it's nearly impossible to completely eliminate the risk of back injuries from the workplace, there are ways employees can minimize their chances of suffering a work-related back injury. In this lesson, we will discuss some guidelines that employees can use to help minimize their chances of a back injury occurring when lifting materials, including common back injuries and their causes, how to protect your back, preventing back injuries, and proper lifting technique. Unfortunately, back injuries due to improper lifting have become a common safety concern in the workplace. Most notably, employees may experience sprains, herniated discs, or even fractured vertebrae. Although not a complete list, some common causes of back injuries that you should be sure to look out for when lifting anything at work include the following. Lifting materials that are too heavy or unstable. Lifting objects to or from places that are awkward to reach. Repetitive motions such as twisting, bending, reaching overhead, or lifting. Working for long periods in a bent over or strained position. Falling. Tripping over debris. Wearing tool belts that are too heavy. Lifting or doing any physical labor when you haven't properly warmed up your muscles. Preventing back injuries requires practice and knowledge about how to lift properly. Every body is different. Some may think that because they have strong muscles, they don't need to follow these guidelines or require proper technique. All employees, regardless of experience or age, should do the following to help prevent back injuries. Always plan your move. Ensure that the path you are going to take is clear of wet surfaces, obstacles, and obstructions, and that there are no slopes. Size up the load. Look at the location of the object. If the object is overhead or on the ground, think about how you can safely reach it, or how to get in a comfortable position to reach it. Test the weight of the object that you're about to pick up. Test the object for shifting contents. Shifting contents can affect how the object will behave when lifted. Get help as needed. Perform a team lift if the size or weight of the object is too much for you to handle. Lifting awkwardly shaped or sized objects can be just as dangerous as lifting heavy objects when you do it alone. If you have the option, use a dolly or other piece of material handling equipment over manual lifting methods.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.